Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a project here after the hurricane down here in Tampa, the Hurricane Milton. I did a number on my fence here, so I'm trying to repair it. Let me show you what I'm working with. Somehow these panels that are almost impossible to remove got pushed out of the fence somehow. This thing here, it's pretty difficult to get these panels out of here. So let's take a look up here what we're working with. As you see there's a little cap. We got to remove that cap, and then normally inside there's two screws. Gonna remove both of the screws, and then there's also these little latch right here that we're gonna work with. I got a little trick for that I'll show you here in a minute. But I'm gonna remove these screws, and then I'm gonna see how I can remove this bar here so I can replace the slats. All right, now I got the screws out. I'm gonna start with this one and see if I could remove it. And like I said, I got a little trick for this, and I'll show you now. I picked these up here from Home Depot, and they're very thin. There's 10 of them there, and it's like aluminum, and I'm gonna slide that through this side, and it's thin enough so it'll still give me enough play to pull this out. So we'll see how that'll go. All right, so you can see how thin they are. I got it in there past this. I got the screws out. I'm gonna try to pull that out. Wish me luck, guys. All right, so with one good little tug, they came out. Here's the shim. Here's the piece out that I need. That's great. That's good news. Now I gotta lift it up and then add my boards, close it up. Nice. That's I spent like 3 hours one time with my father-in-law trying to fix another part of the fence. So this right here is a lifesaver if you ever have to do this by yourself. All right, excellent. This is a quick little video. After 10 minutes of work, I'm out of breath. I need to do this more often. Here we go. Let's take a look. There it is, all back together. I just got to put the caps and the screws back in, but we are good to go. And the best part is I'm getting this lawn ready to redo the whole thing. Lay down some new Bermuda. Oh yeah, that's another problem. Lay down some new Bermuda for next year, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks guys for watching. Time saver of how to repair your vinyl fence. Super time saver hack. Enjoy.